Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Android setting missing or not showing by following these steps. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is find your basically home screen settings. So long press and hold, and that's going to put you in this edit mode, and you should see an option for setting. So key thing here, long pressing hold anywhere on the screen beside a app icon. So you're going to click on setting after that. And from there on, you're going to go ahead and look to see if it's a hidden app on your home and app screen. So you're going to tap on that. And if you see hidden app, the settings, we need to make sure we remove it from that list. So unselect and then done. And now we basically unhid it. So that's going to be step one. Now step two is if you don't see it there, swipe up and look in your app or drawer and see if you see the setting here. You can also search for it as well. So see if you can see it here. Sometimes it might be on a different page. So you just have to swipe through and look for it, and you can see it right here. And you can just press and hold, and that'll allow you to add it to basically the main screen here. You can also do the next thing is basically you can search for it. So here, instead of, if you can't find it, just simply search for settings and then see the app is there. If it is, same thing, long press and hold, and then you can go ahead and add to screen. Now, if it doesn't have that, you can also locate the app. So it'll take you to where the app is on it, and then from there on, you can add it to the screen as well. So that's how you fix it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.